Winding the bobbin. Press the lockout key. Raise the presser foot. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Take out the bobbin. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Raise the retractable thread guide bar. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Pass the thread through the guide on the thread guide bar from behind. Hold the thread with both hands and pass the thread around the thread guide. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. Hold the thread with both hands and wind it around the bobbin clockwise several times. Insert the thread into one of the slits of the flange plate and pull the thread to cut it. Push the bobbin winder stopper to the left. Press the bobbin winding button. The visual touch screen will show the bobbin winding sign. When the bobbin is fully wound, it will stop spinning and the bobbin stopper returns to its original position automatically. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread with the thread cutter.